Good evening. So today I was thinking what I should share with you, and suddenly I received a call from a very disturbed friend of mine. He asked me that my son is in sales and he is not being able to do too well. So can you just tell me as to what are the few things which make or break a sales career? So I told him, and I thought that let me share with one and all as to what are the few issues which make or break a sales career. In other words, what is it that one should have which will be the deciding factor such that you are successful in your sales career? Because sales career is a good career today, and with the internet and with the various modes of communication, it is a very, very powerful area. And this is an area where one has to be good, and everybody looks for a good salesperson. Now let me get into the subject. The first and foremost aspect is active listening. One has to be an active listener, and many of us are not. And it is there that there is a big difference between your success with your customer, because you will have to listen to your customer first. The second issue which goes with listening is to have an empathy. Empathy is that aspect where you have to think in your customer's shoes, you have to understand his pain points, and you have to address those pain points amicably such that he is happy. Now let me come to two very important aspects which are really big busters. What are they? Number one, it is the initiative. The initiative which a salesperson should have. And believe me, this qualification, this capability makes or breaks a sales career. One salesperson has to have the initiative, period. And secondly, not very less important though, is to have positivity. So one has to have an initiative followed by immense positivity, and it is that positivity in you that will help you to become a salesperson. Friends, the other aspects which are very important is the time management. Time management is very, very critical. And as I said critical, let me touch upon the subject of critical thinking. Critical thinking is one criteria which is very, very crucial for a sales success. And what is critical thinking? The power of critical thinking. Critical thinking is nothing but your problem solving attitude and problem solving capability. One should have the problem solving attitude in the first place, and the problem solving skills, conflict resolution skills. There are two other very important points which are makers of a sales success story, is to have a self-regulation, that is the power of persuasion in a salesperson, which is important. And last but not least for today is the adaptability. Adaptability is nothing but the power of being able to adjust to the change. And there is change everywhere. And in this changing environment, a salesperson has to fit in and fit in well. So friends, if I touch upon the points as a mode of revision, it is the active listening, it is the initiative, the positivity, the time management skills, the power of critical thinking, it is the sense of empathy, it is the self-regulation, and last but not least, the adaptability in a salesperson that will help and will be able to distinguish a successful salesperson from an unsuccessful one. So all the best. Please go through my videos. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel, and I will be with you trying to help you out with all that I can offer. Thanks a lot.